You get down. It's time to do some logging with bushcraft. Yeah, okay.
Oh, look how much is on the trail already.
What? I won't be able to even count how many they are. Are these the last logs?
Yep, last one.
Why do we need the log? A little tiny worm. How?
Back, Rip. Next year we got a plan. Rip, come here. Next year we got a plan that involves a lot of wood, and it does involve you guys as well. Nothing's set in stone yet, but I think you know where we're trying to.
Long one? Have the long one, a good push.
Oh, Rippy, we did! Rippy! Rip. No. So we're going up to the quarry. Wait, how do you say it again? Quarry.
Quarry, where they get all the stone from, but it's now full of trees.
I'm so glad that we didn't invest in an expensive motorhome. I wouldn't even dare to bring it up here.
Do you like going in your tractor?
I gotta go in the tractor. You would struggle to pull the trailer with anything else.
Yeah. Would probably be easier if you were a horse.
If it's snowing then we're alright, see?
Yeah.
You can see why Barry gets frustrated by logs from campsites. Now we're at our winter campsite. Barry's just coming back from a summer campsite with a tripod and all our gear from last summer. This is like the most strong. Oh, it is working. God, that's a lump.
Did you put the ball in there?
So tonight we're going to be baking bread. Bread and soup is on the menu tonight. Potato and Stilton soup and freshly baked bread. So the weather's picked up actually, the wind's picked up. The rain has come forward. We're expecting no rain until 9. So we're going to have to put the gazebo out and get some heating going and get the fire going. Nice. And she's off. Now that's what you call a fire.
James.
What? Oh, what's this for next weekend, is it? Well, I like this jacket. Are you going hunting or what?
It's a wax jacket.
Proper wax jacket. What is this? Oh no. We'll have a look at this.
I usually look through the face.
Oh, so you probably guessed what's coming next weekend. That's a great t-shirt. I'll wear that Friday night as well. So if we run out of logs, it doesn't matter.
Huh?
Barry's been busy.
Where's this Oktoberfest? Shrewsbury, no?
No, Oralton, by Kidderminster. Snow boots.
Yeah. Third line, look, all third line snow boots.
Where are they from?
I think it's
You met.
So we've been joined by Dean. He's seen the smoke signals. He's moving the tripod around and the wind took the flames right into my face.
Oh, I need a bomb, mate.
I might have lost some eyebrows. Look at this piece of kit. Little 12-watt warmer. Get a tin of beans in first. See if it will do a tin of beans.
Do a curry.
That's not going to cook rice, is it?
Huh?
It's not going to cook rice.
Yeah,
Nice.
that's how the rice cookers. Right, isn't it?
Yeah, fair play. This is Dexter. This is Dean's new puppy. Oh, gorgeous, you know. Yes. As you can see, the rain's coming down, so we need shelter because it's in for the night. I was hoping it'll be a bit later, but looks like now it's starting to kick off. This is where an awning would come in handy.
You know how to do it. You just use some blown to more.
Yeah, come with a snap leg as well. That's a good point. Yeah, Barry.
Yep.
Remember the first time we put out, the legs were snapped?
Yes, I knew that.
Didn't tell us about that part, did you?
No. So does he.
Bloody rodents. It's time to make some bread. I'm gonna be a master baker. Well, actually, no, I have made bread before. I tried to make some naan when some of my mates came over for curry, and it was a disaster. It was all, oh god, the mix was all over the worktop, flowed down into the drawers. Nightmare.
I made bread before
And
I
I've got-
castle headless.
Castellantis do. Good. See, what's the basic recipe?
We need flour,
Yeah,
water,
yeah.
butter.
No, you can do. But the basic, we're doing a basic campfire bread.
So
Flour, water, salt, and yeast. That's it. That's all we need. What can I use for temperature?
That's bumpy.
Oh, it's a temperature sensor on the boiler. So we need about 39 degrees. I'll just adjust the gas.
Ooh, that's warm.
Yeast.
All
That's
of
it.
it?
All of it. Thank you.
How do you
One.
say that? Yeast.
2. Whisk.
James,
What?
are you doing the bread?
Yeah.
Whoa. Looks like snow. Yeah, it looks very sticky.
It's come off the side now. This is good. Is the dough done? Gonna leave that prove now for 2 hours. Right, so I'm just gonna put the heater on, just on low, just to keep it warm in here to help the old bread, because I'm a master baker. Like I said earlier, I thought I lost some eyebrows, which I have a bit. My fringe. Look at the state of that. Oh no. Christ, I'm struggling on the top as it is, let alone burning it away. Oh my god. Well, there's nothing I can do now. That's what happens when you play with fire. So I'm looking forward to cooking on fire. I just can't wait for that smell. Fresh baked bread smell. But now I'm going to do a soup. I'm going to do a potato and onion soup. No, I'm not. Potato and Stilton soup. You know, boiling bacon
Yeah, well,
with potatoes.
That you always did that before they put the salt in there.
Perfect. Soup's on the go. That's got another 45 minutes left. Bread's proving, ready to go on the fire. But yeah, that's a big one, Dean. Yeah, not yet. Wait till later after I cook the bread.
Okay.
There's loads of other smaller stuff around here. So obviously Chantel's not here. I had a choice. Either come up here, play in the woods, and as Barry asked for a hand to get some logs out, give him a hand, you know, have a fire, do some camping. Or I stay home and do some painting. It took me all of 2 seconds to decide.
That I won't fall.
Oh, I love blue cheese. Ready? Ready?
Ew! Did you know that's meant to...
Alright, it's time to preheat the oven.
I wouldn't leave it in there, James, you buck.
Hey, you leave this cooking up to me, Barry. I'm the master baker.
Yeah, master baker.
Ooh. how it goes down. Is that going down in my eyes?
I'm just gonna have mine.
Now, is that red hot?
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
You can't put anything in that.
Oh, that's just the leg.
No, you come along here.
That's red. That is red.
You can't put any food in
Nothing,
that.
Barry. Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
Whoop.
Flames going out.
Oh, people.
Alright, here we go. Oh, they're ripped. Oh, it's burning.
What did I say?
Oh, the paper's burned.
Well, of course it is. That could be 1,000 degrees. I tell you
At least
what.
you got Hovis.
A toaster.
We can have toast.
I put that on now and leave it up there.
And what's he doing?
James, that's it. That's enough.
Look at these backseat drivers.
Yeah.
2003.
So Barry just had a very good point. Obviously that was too hot. It was glowing red. And the baking paper just disintegrated. But we're in the army now. But he said we can actually get a probe on an app. Or even we just put a probe in there on a wire. We can actually see what temperature inside. So next time you live and you learn, you've got to practice these things. We need to find out. Oh, it's Chantal.
Chantel.
Try to signal. Hi babe.
Alright?
You right?
How's your fringe?
Oh god, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Yeah, it's all singed there.
Oh yeah. Dickhead.
Hello.
Soft inside. You got light there. Oh, there you go.
Black as it's fucking.
Have you seen the colour of that?
Oh, yeah.
There, look.
Well,
Aww.
on that.
I was looking forward to that. Grab it, Barry. Put it on the table here. We'll have to cut the bottom off anyway.
Oh dear. What can that be?
Let's cut it open and see what it's like. Get the chainsaw.
Do I use a knife or a saw?
I'd say
chainsaw?
the saw.
Don't use that in case we can actually eat it. Ooh, actually, Barry. Actually, Barry.
Oh, give me something.
Nice. Okay, bite. Go on, have a go. It is hot. It is like steaming hot bread. It needs to
I
cool
think
down.
you need to put it back in, actually.
Why?
It's not quite cooked.
We'll cut the bottom off because that is paper. Campfire bread. You can't go wrong.
It's so fluffy.
It does smell good. Of course, it's toasted.
Ooh,
It's barbecued,
smells like cake.
but it's nice. Cake. Oh, look at this. Right, get you a spoon, right?
I haven't even tried it.
Oh,
The bread's actually quite nice. Stilton and potato soup. Nice, dude.
Bang tidy, mate. Honestly, I can cook it. Gordon Ramsay, eat your heart out.
To be fair, although it's crusty and toasted, it is actually good bread. Mmm. Right, loaf of Hovis. So our campfire bread had 4 ingredients and it was tasty. It was lovely. Let's have a look here. Ingredients: wheat flour. Here we go. With added calcium, iron, niacin, and thiamine. Water, yeast, yep. Salt, yep. Then we got soya flour. Here we go. Preservative E282, emulsifiers 472, 471, 481, rapeseed oil, flour treatment agent, and absorbic acid. That's just to keep it long on the shelf, isn't it?
Well, that's for shelf life, isn't it?
Yeah. How much crap is going into that compared to that basic stuff? Oh, bring us back to the cowboy days. Tin of beans and a loaf of bread. We'll be fine. Good morning. We've got breakfast on the go. Bit of bacon, bit of boiled eggs. Barry's alive.
Oh.
We're going to ask you a favour. Can you please keep on the lookout for maybe an old minibus, an old transit, something a little bit bigger than Barry's van. It's time for him to upgrade, especially for these wet winter mornings. He needs somewhere where he can be more comfortable, prepare his food, maybe big enough for a shower or a proper kitchen. If you can, just keep an eye out in your local area and drop us a message if you do find something. That'll be much appreciated. We're not sponsored, but we're going to try some.
Dad.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Actually, that's quite nice. Actually, that's quite nice. If you do want to try some holy milkshake, I'll put a discount code in the description. Look at us, sharing other people's discount codes. So you might have noticed Barry's not himself lately. He's absolutely adamant he's had the latest strain of COVID. Now he's recovering. He's lost his taste.
I can just taste it.
So next week we've actually got a plan where we're going to a beer festival again, and Barry's got tickets as well, but it's touch and go. So I don't know what to do. Maybe he might just give that ticket away. So next couple of days, if he gives us a firm no, I think we'll put it on our Instagram. I'd rather give it away than see it go to waste. Maybe next weekend I have to get some work done to the bus. We popped into the shop to get some blue cheese, and when I come out the bus would not start. For a good 10 minutes we were turning it over, and I've always got confused whether it's the safety system on the door or something to do with the engine. But now I've linked out the safety system, it's definitely something to do with the engine. And I got a feeling it's something to do with low fuel pressure.
I was wrong.